Today we're going to be looking at ActiveCampaign's Facebook integration, how to set it up, and how to use those custom audiences in ActiveCampaign. So first things first, let's set up our integration. To do that, you need to go to the settings page, and then on the settings page, you need to click on integrations, and then add an integration, select Facebook, and what this will do is it will then redirect you to Facebook where you can log in, and then you can authorize ActiveCampaign to access your account. So we've already got a Facebook account here connected, and so now we can, once we've got that account connected, we can start adding custom audiences to our automations. So we've already got some automations with these custom audiences being used, so I'm just going to show you those here. Now, these custom audiences, they're basically an interest tag automation. So anytime a user visits this website, which is an e-commerce website, if the URL contains these keywords or these keywords, then a tag will be applied to the user, and the user also gets added to a custom audience. Now, you could also remove the user from a custom audience, custom Facebook audience, by doing the same thing. So you just select remove from audience, for instance, and then here you select your ad account that you want to remove the audience from, and then you'd select whichever audience you've got here. Now, if you don't have an audience existing, then you can also create an audience when you're adding them to a custom audience. You can't obviously create an audience when you're removing them from one. Now, how this will work for Facebook is it essentially just pushes the user's email address to a custom audience in Facebook. And then you can select that custom audience when you're creating ads or when you're setting up exclusions or inclusions for existing ads. So it's really quite handy to have these custom audiences based on ActiveCampaign goals, ActiveCampaign tags, ActiveCampaign lists. Those are kind of the three areas where you might want to use custom audiences. So for instance, if you've got a funnel where users get added to your email list, then they might have a 30-day nurture, and the goal of that nurture is to get them to schedule a call. If they visit your website but haven't scheduled a call, you could add them to an audience. Then once they schedule a call, you might remove them from that original audience, add them to another audience, which would be kind of a follow-up reminder type ad, remarketing ad, because they've had the call from you, but they haven't accepted your proposal yet. So you want to follow them around the internet on blogs and Facebook, etc., and show them, showcase some of your work, some of your case studies. That'd be another example of using an audience. Then maybe they go ahead, they accept your proposal. So then you take them out of that audience and you add them to a client audience. And in the client audience, you might show them reviews from other happy customers. You might show them ads to review you on Yelp or Google or view blogs, etc. So to build a bit more of a rapport relationship with them over the course of your project. And then once the project's completed, you might show them different ads for that part of the cycle as well. So you can get all of that based on your custom audiences in ActiveCampaign, and they're particularly interesting for when they're custom audiences that you can't really build with the pixel, because you can build custom audiences with the pixel based on what URL they visit or what that URL contains. But things where the pixel kind of falls down is in segmenting different groups of users. So clients versus leads versus people you've sent proposals to that haven't accepted, or contracts that they haven't signed yet, or invoices they haven't paid. Whatever it is, you can create custom audiences for those groups, and they're the things that the pixel generally can't pick up, because the pixel only works on the URL and not other attributes for the user. So that's Facebook custom audiences, how to set them up, how to integrate Facebook. If you've got more questions, I'll look forward to them in the comments below, but it is a fantastic feature that ActiveCampaign is integrated. Unfortunately, they've only got Facebook at this stage. They don't have Google or LinkedIn, but you could also set up Zaps to add users or remove users to any number of those other ad networks, or use something like AdRoll to do it all in one spot.
Hi, I'm Mitch Bayless, and if you're looking for someone to help you with your business automation, then click the button below to schedule your free call today. And if you found this video useful, remember to click like, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.